Good morning. Part B in projectile motion is projectile on inclined plane. Consider the projectile on an inclined plane. A projectile is fired from point A. Let alpha is the angle of projection with inclined plane. Alpha is the angle of projection with the inclined plane made by the velocity. Let theta is the angle of inclined plane with the horizontal. Theta is the angle made by the inclined plane with the horizontal. Now selecting x along the plane and y-axis is perpendicular to the plane. Then there are two components of velocity. The x component of velocity is equal to u cos alpha. So if you resolve this, we'll get horizontal component or x component of velocity is u cos alpha, and the y component of velocity will get u sin alpha. Similarly, the gravitational acceleration g have the two components. The x component is g sin theta. This is the angle theta. So this will be horizontal will be g sin theta, and vertical the y component will be g cos theta. After resolving the forces, we can change the orientation of plane for the convenience. Here acceleration ax is equal to minus g sin theta and ay is equal to minus g cos theta. So both motions are motion under gravity. Now we'll see the time of flight. Now the formula for the time of flight is 2u sin alpha upon g cos theta. On a horizontal plane it was a 2u sin alpha by g. This cos theta is the effect to make this inclined plane horizontal, to counteract this inclined plane effect with the horizontal. So t is equal to 2u sin alpha upon g cos theta. Now range formula r is equal to 2u square sin alpha upon g cos square theta into cos alpha plus theta. The maximum height h is equal to u square sin square alpha upon 2g cos theta. Now remember, angle of projection is the angle made by the velocity with the inclined plane. Alpha is the angle made by the velocity with the inclined plane. So this is the angle of projection. Now two things important. When projectile is fired or projected up in the plane, then theta is considered as a positive. So if the projectile is fired from point A, then it is up in the plane, so this theta will consider as a positive. And while in opposite way, when projectile is projected down the plane, then theta is considered as a negative. So suppose now the projectile will fire from B to A, then this angle of plane theta is considered as a negative. Now we see the one problem on this. The problem statement is a projectile is projected from a point on an inclined plane with velocity 30 meter per second. The angle of projection and angle of plane are 55 and 20 degree respectively with the horizontal. Remember, with the horizontal, find the range and the time of flight. The angle of projection is 55 degree with the horizontal. The velocity of a projectile is given 30 meter per second. It is fired up in the plane. So the angle of projection is given with the horizontal as a 55 degree, while the angle of plane is given 20 degree with the horizontal plane. Both angles are given with the horizontal, but alpha is the angle of projection, angle made by the velocity with the inclined plane. So therefore alpha is equal to 55 minus 20. We need only this angle. We have to find out, we need for calculation this angle, or this is the definition of angle of projection. So alpha is equal to 35 degree, theta is equal to plus 20. No need to write down plus, but for understanding purpose I have written plus 20. It is up in the plane, so you have to take theta is equal to 20. Then we will find out r. R is equal to 2u square sin alpha upon g cos square theta into bracket cos alpha plus theta. So we'll put the values and we'll get range is equal to 68 meter. On the same line, t is equal to 2u sin alpha upon g cos theta. So we'll put the values and we'll get t is equal to 3.73 seconds.